good morning, guys. I just woke up and today is Christmas Eve, the day before Christmas, and we're going to church. And after, we're gonna open presents. So we'll see you at church, and we're gonna open presents. And I'm excited. Yo, we're back and we're dressed up now. My brother's awake and we're on our way to church. So see you in a bit.
Hey, what's up, dude? You want to be on YouTube? Too late, you're already on. Alright. Hello, everybody. We're at church right now. Merry Christmas. Do it. Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas. Hello.
Hi.
Hi. Merry Christmas.
Okay, guys, it's the empty gang, and we're finished with church, and we're going to go change at home and do the last minute cook for our party tonight.
Later.
Oh, look at that. It's coming down pretty hard. No. Pick it up. Close up. Whoa, whoa. All right. Do you have anything to say to the M3E squad? Austin, what do you have to say? You have anything to say? What's going on right now?
It's snowing.
Hey, it's snowing? Really? So what are you guys doing? Just playing in the snow? Nice.
Yeah, and playing snow with white. Ah! Ew. Whoa! There's still a snowman. There's this?
Oh, wow. Oh my goodness, it's snowing. Oh, it's coming down pretty hard.
Hey, you go get Rico Big snowing. Wait! Hey, check the thing! Hey, wanna get this?
Right, I gotta go back. I'm freezing cold. Camera is shaking right now because I'm cold. This is not an earthquake. This is the body shaking. I'm freezing. Oh man, it's pretty scary. It's slippery. All right, let's go to the backyard and see what's up. Hey, what are you doing?
Nothing.
Hey, tell him to just come back here. Don't go on the road. You okay, Austin? What are you doing? Oh, looks like it's gonna be snowing all night, Mom. Yeah, it doesn't look like it's stopping. Kinda sucks though. Okay, we're starting again with another clip. Look at all this food. Ooh. And look at all these people right here. These are all hungry people. Starting on the right, spaghetti, chicken, mac. What do you call that?
Salad, macaroni salad.
Macaroni salad. That's jalapeno with bacon. Ooh, look at that. Looks good, looks good. Potato with cheese. Oh, that's banana with the coconut milk. And this is shrimp. Woo. Oh, more good stuff. Look at that. Oh boy. It just keeps going. Oops. Bulgogi. Oh, nice. What you gonna do?
This is regular bulgogi.
Regular bulgogi. We got the ham. We got the pork. We got the mommy. We got the Chinese.
I love you. Merry Christmas.
Okay, sashimi. Look. More. All right, let's take a pause. I'm gonna eat.
It's already. I know.
Whoa, more cake.
Yeah, it's so good.
That's not good for you.
YOLO.
So,
You only live once.
if you have diabetes or if you're diabetic, this would not be a good place for you because everywhere you turn, you see sugar over here, Sugar over here. Sugar is all over the place. There's still lots of food. My goodness. Crazy amount of food. Ooh. I give up. I'm too full. And there's more food in there. More food in here. Oh boy. Are you guys gonna call them out? Yeah. Okay, you two, you guys are gonna be the one calling it, okay?
This is for everyone that looks at it.
Where's everybody? Are we gonna call it now? Okay. Tell everybody to come up here.
Okay. Hi.
Oh, it's too crowded. We have exceeded the capacity for this house. Okay, come on, Marcin. Come on, you can. Marcin. Hey, you're gonna call the presents. Hey, dude. Dude,
Don't say that. No.
Santa. You're gonna call the presents.
Okay.
You're gonna call it, okay? All right. So, you guys sit down. The only people that will be standing or are gonna be doing the the presents will be. We have Marlson.
It's your boy Morrison.
Boy Morrison and your boy Rawson.
Excuse me. There's no tape or anything.
So we need you guys to stay back there and just listen up to your names and
Stay right here.
yeah.
Hey guys.
All right. So are you guys ready?
I guess so.
You guess so.
Yes. Do this. Yeah.
Okay. Okay. So Marlson and Rawson, you guys are the bosses. So go ahead and start.
Okay. That's it.
Wait, say that again because I didn't get that on camera. Okay, say that one more time.
Merry Christmas to Uncle Rudy from.
Hey, thank you, Santa. Oh my goodness, I have two.
More than some of the kids.
Yeah, two more than some of the kids. So, what's up, guys? What are you guys doing?
Oh, we're just waiting for our gifts. This is our spot from last year. Every year, gotta keep the tradition going, you know.
Muchacho.
Hey, what's up, guys?
Hey, what's up? Subscribe.
Make sure you subscribe to this channel.
Oh, yes.
M3E.
Thanks for the support. We'll enter. Oh. All right, guys, listen up because we're not quite done yet. Last two. Come on. Marlon, call those out. These two.
Those two. This is mine and this is popcorn.
Oh, okay. All right. From Santos. All right. Well, so listen up, guys. So this is where the real fun begins because you guys are gonna have to open up your presents.
Yeah.
All right. Oh, wait, guys. Wait. Oh, wow. So this is where the fun begins. Everybody's opening up their presents. This is a lot of mess. Okay, let me move out so I can get a clear picture on what it looks like. Oh boy, look at that. Ooh, it's just a crazy mess. Oh, look at that, look at that. Where's this? Can you give it to me? Oh, look at all this mess. Oh my goodness. Everybody's just having too much fun.
Okay, turn around.
Can you put, where's my stuff?
Yeah, this is what.
Yeah, just put my, where are my stuff? Over here? Yeah, just put it down here.
You guys wear it to church tomorrow.
Oh!
Okay, turn around. Move yourself. That's your like the Ninja Turtles.
Oh boy! Oh boy! That's the kind of craziness we have to deal with on Christmas. Oh! Alright, let me see that, let me see that. Let me see that.
No, without matching.
Triplets.
Oh wow, you guys are showing off.
Yes.
You got any shout outs?
I got a paper towel.
Oh, what?
Shout outs.
Huh? No shout outs. You, muchacho?
Like and subscribe.
Like and subscribe. You? What did you get?
I got a paper towel.
Oh, you got a paper towel. You got pranked. Oh, your boy Morris got pranked with a paper towel. Alright guys, so we're actually done with our Christmas party. Everybody started to leave. Just trying to pick up things before heading home.
Hello.
Yes, you can see the snow is really pretty bad. It's terrible.
Okay guys, we're wrapping up this video and thank you for spending time on this Christmas Eve vlog, and I hope you guys are having the best Christmas Eve ever. And so see you in the next video, and comment down what you want us to do in the next video. So peace.
Alright.
Alright guys, thank you so much for your time, and hopefully we'll see you guys or catch you guys in the next video. Thank you and happy and Merry Christmas once again.